If long motorcycle rides leave you sore or fatigued, it might be time to upgrade your seat. In this video, we'll cover the best motorcycle seat cushions for all-day comfort. Let's start with the SKYJDM Foldable Gel Motorcycle Seat Cushion. This cushion is designed with a 3D gel honeycomb structure that evenly distributes weight and absorbs road vibration. It folds easily for storage, making it a favorite among touring and adventure riders. What sets it apart is the breathable design, which keeps airflow steady even on hot days. The non-slip bottom and dual strap design help it stay in place under aggressive riding or quick stops. Riders appreciate how it reduces pressure points on long rides, and with a 4.4-star rating on Amazon, it stands out for both comfort and practicality. It's also washable and highly durable, making it a smart investment for year-round use. Next, we have the AEROIVI Airflow Pro Seat Pad, a thick mesh cushion designed for ventilation and heat dispersion. This pad features a 2.3-inch multi-layered construction with moisture-wicking fabric and silicone grip dots. While it's a more affordable option, it doesn't skimp on comfort. It's especially helpful in summer months when traditional foam cushions trap heat and moisture. Riders who spend hours in the saddle often report that this mesh cushion significantly reduces sweat buildup while still softening the impact of road vibration. It's also one of the most lightweight options available, making it easy to carry and install. If you're a daily commuter or a rider in warmer climates, the AEROIVI pad is a solid choice for breathable support at a lower price point. For those who want fully customizable pressure relief, the AIRHAWK R-REVB inflatable seat cushion remains a top-tier option. This cushion uses air cell technology, allowing you to inflate or deflate it to match your riding posture and weight. The benefit here is pressure redistribution. No more hot spots or numb legs on long trips. It's highly recommended by touring riders and is especially beneficial for those with existing back or tailbone issues. The AIRHAWK cushion does take a little experimentation to get the inflation level just right, but once dialed in, it provides unmatched comfort for multi-hour rides. While it comes at a higher price, most owners agree it's worth every penny for the fatigue reduction alone. Another standout in 2025 is the badass MOTO Cool Mesh Seat Pad. As the name suggests, it's designed to keep you cool, and it delivers. This 3D mesh pad features an elevated surface that allows air to circulate between the seat and your body. It's especially helpful in hot, humid conditions where standard seats become sweaty and sticky. The badass MOTO pad includes a removable insert, a moisture-wicking layer, and a non-slip base that ensures it stays securely in place. Riders also appreciate how it adds just enough padding without making the seat feel bulky. It's compatible with cruisers, sport bikes, and even adventure bikes, making it a versatile pick for riders who value both cooling and cushion. Lastly, we have the ELCYCO Universal Gel Seat Cushion, model MOTOS-002W. This gel pad features a coral fleece cover for winter comfort and a breathable gel core that works in warmer months too. It offers a unique all-season solution, which is great for riders who don't want to swap out gear based on the weather. The ELCYCO cushion uses an anti-slip bottom, dual strap design, and water-resistant construction for easy maintenance. Riders love how soft yet supportive the cushion feels, and it fits most standard seats without issue. While it's not as high-tech as the inflatable or 3D mesh options, it offers a strong middle ground in terms of comfort, insulation, and affordability.